And welcome back to Code Interpret. Let's open up a project directory. And okay, so one way to open up a file on VS Code is just simply click on it, you right click it, and then you press VS Code. And let's wait for this to open up. Okay, now the thing is that while this may seem to be a correct way of opening up a Python or any program file, you might as well be able to make edits on it or write code on it, right? But the thing is that you would want to run this program file as well, right? To check if it's working. Now, to be able to do that, you just click on Terminal, New Terminal, and you see the difference is that the project file is kept inside this path, as you can see, inside a folder called integer methods. The path on the terminal is different. If I try to run this file, it's gonna give me an error. Okay, so can't open this file because what Python is trying to do is that it's trying to open this file. It's trying to look for this file inside this directory, which is wrong, this file path. So what can we do? If you've already opened your file this way, to fix it, what you can do is that you click on the file menu, open folder, you select this folder, and then it would reopen the file correctly. Okay. Now, see the path on your terminal is the same as the path as your file. Now you type Python integer methods.py, and there you go. The file runs. But this is a two-step process. What is the best way to open up a file in just one go? Okay, let's close this. Let's do it again. You open up your project directory. You click on the File Explorer. Type CMD over here. Press Enter. And then type code space dot. And this will help you open up the file directly with the proper file path on your terminal. This is it. And there you go. We type Python integer methods.py, and there you go, it's working. All right. So as a beginner, I used to make this mistake, so I thought I should share this method with you guys. Yep. Okay. And well, one more thing. If you're currently working on a project file and you want to work on a different folder now or a different project folder, you do the same thing. You go to File, Open Folder. This is the best way to do it. Okay. Select this folder, and then it will open this file, which is inside this project directory. That's it. Okay. All right. Thank you.